If you can understand it from a high level and then you can bring it down to like a normal human being's level, you're going to become more authentic. You're going to be more credible because you're able to speak at the high levels with the doctors, but you're able to explain it to the jury in a way that they can understand it too, and without being degrading to them. We don't talk to them like they've got a third grade education. We talk to them like normal human beings. I try to talk to them and explain the case to them the same way I would tell one of my kids. My kids are 18 to 22 years old. If I can explain it to my kids in a way they understand it, and if they've never heard it before, then I think that I've got a good shot of explaining it to the jurors during trial.